Hello children, my name is Venuka. Today I am drawing a big owl and a small owl. Now let's start. First today I drawn the border and I wrote the date also. Name. Okay, now these are over now. Next we will start the owl. First we have to write the heading. Owl drawing. Nice. Okay, now first like this big triangle. Now like this, and like this, and like this. It is so big now. Some small noise. And now we have to draw big round and it's like this. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now the curves are over now. Now the legs like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Otherwise, you can keep another leg also. It's so big. Now another owl, small baby owl we are drawing. Now once like this, we have to do this one. And first, again we have to draw a small baby stubble and like this. This is nice now. Now it is over now. And we have to keep the eyes also. Okay, 1, 2. Now it is over. Once I'm showing the picture, and thank you so much for seeing this video, and bye bye.